Welcome to IACE. Now we are discussing ma RRB Office Assistant Grand Test 53 ma regarding quantitative part explanation ma 41 to 45 ma 41 to 45 ma approximate ma these are ma approximate questions are there ma no need to round off ma just ma no need to calculate exact ma just make it ma round off ma nearest value ma 2.0 ma take it as ma 2 this one ma take it as ma 2 by 7 ma 2 by 7th into round of ma we can take it as ma 455 ma plus 3.9 ma 98 ma take it as ma 4 by 5 into 250 ma 4 by 5 into 250 that equal to this one make it as ma round of 5 by 4 5 by 4 into 240 plus question mark ma it is ma 460s nothing but ma it is 300 it is 550s ma that means 200 it is ma 7 6 are 42 35 7 5 ma 65 into 2 ma 130 ma so 330 minus 300 ma nothing but ma 30 30 means ma option B ma option B next ma 18.02 ma take it as ma 18% of 800 ma so 18% of 800 ma nothing but ma 18 8s 144 it is ma 28% of round off to 500 ma 28 5s ma 28 5s ma 140 equal to question mark for person double zero ma person will cancel into 4 ma 144 plus 140 ma nothing but ma 284 284 ma 4 sevens 4 ones ma 71 ma option C next ma 4900 make it as ma round off ma 35 4900 by 35 ma 7 5 7 sevens 5 140s ma this one ma 4000 by 80 ma 4000 by 80 ma nothing but ma 400 by 8 ma that means ma 50 is ma 4 that is ma 4000 by 80 ma 0 cancel 850 ma in this way 50 ma is equals to sum x minus 1050 by 21 or 21 5 ma 50 minus 50 becomes as ma plus 50 plus 50 by 100 plus 140 ma 240 240 ma option D ma 240 next 94.9 ma take it as ma round of value ma 95 into 4 95 into 4 ఎంత ma 360 plus 20 ma 380 this 600 by 30 ma 600 by 30 and obvious ka 20 ma percentage double zero cancel ma question mark into 8 ma it is 400 by 8 nothing but ma 50 next ma 27.03 ma take it as ma 27 square ma 729 15 square ma 225 here ma 954 ma 954 minus 25 square ma minus 25 square ma 625 అది ఇటు వస్తే మైనస్ మా అది క్యూబ్ 5 క్యూబ్ మా 125 మా 625 125 మా 750 మా 750 డిడక్షన్ మా 750 మా డిడక్షన్ 204 ఆప్షన్ ఏ మా next ma 46 to 50 ma these are ma what will come in the place of question mark ma here 2 10 34 106 3 double 2 ma 106 ma here ma nearly 3 times into 3 ma into 3 plus 4 here also 3 times ma 34 into 3 ma 102 plus 4 here also ma into 3 plus 4 here also ma into 3 plus 4 the logic ma into 3 plus 4 ma 322 into 3 plus 4 ma 322 into 3 ma 966 plus 4 ma 970 option A ma next 938 ma here ma 624 4 times ma 624 into 4 ఎంత మా 2400 2496 అంటే into 4 plus 5 ma here ma into 4 155 into 4 ma 620 plus 4 ma into 4 plus 4 into 4 into 4 38 120 132 so 120 plus 50 150 plus 3 ma so into 4 is common ma into 4 is common 5 4 3 next to ma 2 next to 1 something into 4 plus 1 ma something into 4 plus 1 ma so that thing be 2 ma If it is 2 ma, 2 4 the 8 plus 1 ma, 9. Next, 2 question mark 30 ma, it is ma 154. 2 question mark 30 74 154 280 2 ma. If you take the difference ma, 154 here ma, we don't know. 30 to 74 ma, difference is 44. Here difference ma 26 30 80 154 ma, 46 48 128 difference. 128 difference ma, here we don't know. 50 36 difference. 80 ante 20 48 difference ma. 6 6 6 otherwise ma 12 3 is 12 fours. If it is 12 2 ma 24. If it is ma 12 ones 12. 12 ones 12 ma. So 44 minus 24 ma 20 20 minus 12 ma 8. 2 plus 8 ma 10. If it is 10 ma 10 plus 20 ma 30. Obviously 10 will comes ma. Double difference ma. Double difference. Next, 102 146 ma. Here 102 to 146 ma 44 extra. 46 and 50 48 to 52 ma. 198 to 258 ma. 60 8 8 ma. So next should be 8 ma ante 68 ma. So 258 and 68 ma. 250 310 326 ma. Option C 326 ma. Option C ma 326. Next, 820 770 difference ma. If you take the difference, minus 50, it is also same minus 50. So next should be minus 50 ma. 720 minus 50 ma 670. 670 ma, option D. Option D ma, difference ma minus 50 ma. Next, 51 to 55 ma, quadratic equations are given ma. X square minus 16x plus 63 ma, 9 7s are 9 plus 7 ma 16. So x values ma 9 and 7. 24 ma 4 6 are minus 4 minus 6 nothing but ma y values ma 4 and 6. 4 and 6 ma. 9 is ma compared to both greater, 7 also greater ma. So x greater than y. Option A ma. Next, 52 2x square minus 13x plus 21 equals 0 ma. 21 2 ma 42. 6 7 so minus 6 minus 7 x values ma 6 and 7. 6 7 by 2 ma 3 and 3.5. 3 15 ma 45 9 5 ma 9 and 5 ma. So y values ma 9 5 by 3 ma is 3 and 1.6 ma. Whenever 3 ma both are equal, when 3 ma greater than 3.5 is greater than, x is greater than or equals to y, x greater than or equals to y ma. Next ma 2401 is ma 49 square, because 50 square ma 2500 49 square ma. That means x equals to plus 14, x square is 49 square ma, x equals to plus 7 or minus 7 ma, because it is ma this value 49, x square is 49, that means ma x equals plus 7 or minus 7 ma. 36 ma 36 ma 6 6 are 36 minus 6 and minus 6 ma. So y value ma 6, plus 7 ante greater ma, minus 7 ante smaller. So relation cannot be established ma, no relation. Option E ma, no relation. Next, 54 x square plus 2x minus 35 equals ma 35 ma. 7 5s are 35 ma, plus 7 minus 5 ma, plus 7 minus 5. So x equals to minus 7 and plus 5. 20 ma 4 5 minus 4 minus 5 and y equals 4 and 5 ma. Y is equals to 4 comma 5. Minus 7 ma compared to both ma lesser, plus 5 greater and equal ma. So relation cannot be established. Next ma 5x minus 6y minus 15 ma 2x plus 5y ma. So make the any terms equal, either y terms or x terms, so are comfortable ma. If you make the x terms, if you multiply with 2 ma, multiply with 2 ma, 10x minus 12y equals to minus 30. Multiply with 5 ma, 10x plus 25y equals to 155. Cancel ma. Minus 12 minus 25 ma. Minus 37. 155 lo minus 155 minus 185 ma. That's an exactly 5 times ma. So y equals to 5. If y is 5 ma, y is 5, 6 5 ma, 30 minus 30 becomes plus 3. 30 minus 15 ma, 15. Anyway, x is the 3 ma. X is ma 15 minus 30 ma. So x is 3, y is 5 ma, x is lesser than y. Option B ma, x is less than y. Next. 56 to 65 ma, simplifications ma. 800 by 32 ma, it is 32 to 64 ma, 16 ma, 160, 32 5. 25 into 2 25, it is ma 216. It is ma 160. 216 minus 160 ma 56 plus 25 ma 81 ma 81 nothing but ma 9 square. 80% of 1200 ma 960 minus 50% half ma nothing but ma 950. 10 means ma under root lo unte 100. Next. 450 plus 120 ma, it is minus 120. 450 minus 120 ma 330. 330 లో దేంట్లో 30% మా 330 మా సింప్లీ మా 1100 మా బికాస్ 10% 110 3 times మా 59 ma. 4 power 5 into 256 divided by 4096 ma, it is 4 power 5. 256 nothing but ma 4 power 4 by 4096 nothing but ma 4 power 6. 5 plus 4 9 ma, out of 9 ma 6 will cancel ma, balance ma 4 cube is balance ma 4 cube, that means the question mark equals to 4. Question mark equals to 4 ma. Next. Fifth root of 3375 ma, 3375 ma, that is 15 cube. It is ma 32 square. It is ma 45 square. 15 plus 32 ma 47 minus 45 2 ma 2 and fifth root lo unnappudu that will becomes ma 8. Next ma 18% of 50 ma 18% ma 20% minus 2% ma 10% 150 20% ma 300 minus 30 ma 300 minus 30 nothing but ma 270. 20% of 1200 ma nothing but ma 240. Some x. 60% nothing but ma 420 ma 270 240 ma 510 minus 420 ma nothing but 90. 45% of 8 ma 50% minus 5% ma 450% ma minus 40 ma nothing but ma 360 plus 60 ma 360 plus 60 ma 420 minus 270 ma 3 ma 150. Next. 5 1 by 4 divided by 1 3 as per bottommost ma first open bracket. In that part division 21 by 4. 4 1 the 4 plus 3 ma 7 by 4 becomes as ma 4 by 7 into 48 plus 2 ma 50 by 3 into 6 ma. Here ma we can cancel ma 4 anyway gets cancelled, 7 3's cancel, 50 into 6 ma 300. Next ma as per bottommost ma first division 48 by 4 ma 42 into 48 by 168 plus 8 cube ma 512. 42 clearly 4 times ma 4 12s 512 plus 12 ma 524 లో 4 అని పోతే బ్యాలెన్స్ మా 124 మా. Next. Mixed fractions ma first add the normal numbers ma, next go for the fractions. 6 plus 5 11 11 minus 8 ma 3 ascend to 10 ma 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 ma 5 by 6 minus 5 by 6 ma gets cancelled, so what is the answer ma 10. Answer ma 10. Next. Mixture A contains 60% of lime juice and rest 20 liters of water ma. Obvious ga rest 20 liters water ante adi that equals to 40% ma. Mixture A lo ma mixture A ma lime juice and water. Juice and water. Water 20 liters ma. This 20 liters equal to 40% ma. 40% 20 liters is 60% ma 30 liters. Next ma, it is then mixed with 100 liters of mixture B, which contains lime juice and water in the ratio 2 is to 3 ma. Below juice and water ma 100 liters 2 is to 3. 5 parts are under 1 part ma 20. So 40 and 60. 40 and 60 ma. Now find the ratio of the lime juice to water ma result ma. If you mix both of that ma, juice to water ratio ma, 30 plus 40 ma 70 is to 80. Nothing but ma 7 is to 8. 67 ma. In a city there are 75 percentage males and rest are the females. 40% of males and 180 females are married. If the sum of the number of unmarried males and unmarried females is 660, then find the ratio of married males to married female. Married male to married female ratio ma. Total ma in the city ma, if you take 100% and good ma, in that males females ma, male 75% means females are ma 25, and 40% of males in that ma 40% is nothing but ma 7 and a half 4 times ma nothing but ma 30. 30% married means unmarried ma 45%, and 180 females ma దీంట్లో percentage తెలియదు మా బట్ 180 married, 180 married అంటే మిగతా వాళ్ళు unmarried మా మిగతా వాళ్ళు. Now the clue ma, the sum of number of unmarried males and unmarried females ma 6 unmarried males and unmarried females. So it is ma unmarried, it is 45 percentage. This will becomes what 25 percentage minus 180. These total equal to 660 ma. That means 45 plus 25 ma 70% becomes addition ma 660 760 840. 70% value ma 840. Nothing but ma 10 7 12 times ma. So entire people ma 1200. Entire people 1200. But the question asking what is the ratio of married male to married females ma. Married males ma 30% ma. Married males ma 30%, nothing but 360. These are ma 180. Married females ma 180, nothing but ma 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. Next. A car is traveling with speed of 20 km per hour. After X hours, the speed increased by 6 km per hour ma. If it is traveled X plus 3 hours more. If the distance covered in X plus 3 hours is 90 km more than that covered in X hours ma. So distance difference ma 90. Basically distance nothing but speed into ma. Second speed 6 increase చేశాడు, obvious గా 20 ఉందమ్మా, 6 increase చేశాడు 26 మా. So with 26 into X plus 3, earlier ma 20 into X, ఈ distance is difference ma you were saying ma 90. 26x minus 20x ma 6x. 26 into 3 ma 78 ma becomes as minus 90 minus 78 ma 12. So X value ma 2. X value ma 2. Next. 69th question ma. The ratio of the upstream speed and the boat to the speed of the stream is 2 is to 1 ma. Upstream speed nothing but ma boat speed minus stream speed is to the upstream speed to and the speed of the stream ma, nothing but stream speed ma. This ratio he was saying ma 2 is to 1. And the boat covered 80 kilometers downstream and same distance upstream together in 15 ma. 80 వెళ్ళింది మా 80 వచ్చింది, overall journey it was taken ma 15 hours ma. So 80 by boat speed plus stream speed and 80 by boat speed minus stream speed, this equals to 15 because overall time ma distance by speed ma, that is 15 hours ma. The question asking find the speed of the boat in still water ma. Speed of the boat in still water asking ma, what is the speed of the boat in still water. So by taking ma boat speed minus stream speed, from this ma boat speed will become ma the 2x is 1x అనుకోండి ma, boat speed will becomes boat speed minus stream speed plus stream speed ma. అప్పుడు 2x plus 1x ma 3x వద్దు ma. boat speed 3 parts లేదా 3x మా. stream speed మా 1 part లేదు 1x మా. 1 part లేదు 1x మా. బట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆస్కింగ్ మా వాట్ అబౌట్ దిస్ 3x మా. దిస్ 3x మా ఆబ్వియస్ గా 3 టేబుల్ వచ్చే నెంబర్ మా. 3 టేబుల్ వచ్చే నెంబర్స్ మా ఆల్ ఆర్ 3 మల్టిపుల్స్ మా. ఫస్ట్ మా లీవ్ దట్ మా లీస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ as well as ma least option వదిలేసి మా కాసేపు హైయెస్ట్ గో ఫర్ రిమైనింగ్ ఆప్షన్స్ మా. రిమైనింగ్ ఇఫ్ బోట్ స్పీడ్ ఈస్ 15 మా, ఇది 15 అయితే ఇది 3 టేబుల్ లో 5 టైమ్స్ మా 5. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 15 మా it is 3 5s for sorry 5 3s ma 5 24s 10 8s ma not satisfying. Go for 12 ma. If it is 12, it should be 4. 12 plus 4 ma 16 5s, 12 minus 4 ma 8 tens. So 5 plus 10 ma 15, clearly satisfying ma. So obviously option C is the answer ma. Option C. Next ma. The cost of cultivating a square field at the rate of 8 meter per square is 1800 rupees ma. That means the perimeter of the circular field is 72 meters more than the square side of the square field. Find the radius of the circular field ma. From the beginning clue ma, cost of cultivating and overall area purpose ma 1800 charge అవుతుంది 8 per square meter చొప్పున అంటే the a square ma, a square is equals to 1800 by 8. That means ma 8 to 16 20 ma 8 to 16 8 5 a square to a equals 15 ma. Side is 15, but the clue given ma, the perimeter of the circular field is 72 meters more than that of square field ma. So దీని perimeter ma 15 side అంటే perimeter ma 60, దీనికన్నా 72 ఎక్కువ సర్కిల్ పెరిమీటర్ అంటే 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal 60 plus 70 ma 132. So 22 into 4 ma 3 times. So radius should be 21 ma. Radius ma 21. Next. Ascertain sum triples itself in 4 years. Triples itself in 4 years in which at r% compound interest ma. Annually in how many years it becomes for 27 times ma. So it was becoming ma. It was becoming 3 times in 4 years. Question asking it will become 27 times in how many years ma? 27 we can write as ma 3 cube. So directly this power into years ma, power into years ma 3 into 4 ma 12 years. 3 into 4 ma 12 years. లేదు అంటే మా వీ కెన్ అజ్యూమ్ ఒక 100 రూపీస్ అనుకోండి. 100 ట్రిపుల్ అంటే 300, మళ్ళీ ట్రిపుల్ మా 900, మళ్ళీ ట్రిపుల్ మా 27, అలా 4 4 4 మా 12 years. In that way also we can say the answer ma. Next. The average income of A and B 27,000. A and B average ma 27, and the B and C, the average income of B and C ma 21, average income of A and C ma 24. All are average only. All are average only ma. So obvious ka A and B, A plus B equals to double of that, B plus C equal double of that, C plus A would double. And obvious ka 2 of A plus B plus C equals to 2 of total of that ma 27 plus 21 ma, and ma 48 68 72,000. A plus B plus C 72, but question asking the average income of A B C ma 72 by 3 ma 72 by 3 nothing but for 24. 72 by 3 ma 24. Next. 73 ma, question number 73. The sum of the cost price of 2 articles is 1600 rupees ma. Cost price ma 1600 rupees given ma. One article is sold at 25% profit and the another is sold at 20% loss. If the selling price of the article sold at profit is 460 lesser than that of article sold at loss, find the difference between the cost price ma. Question asking ma, find the difference between the cost price. Cost price is difference. If you go through options ma, as per first option, difference 800, sum 16 అమ్మా. డిఫరెన్స్ 8 అమ్మా, సమ్ 16 అంటే ఇండివిజువల్ వాల్యూస్ మా 16 ప్లస్ 8/2 ఒక ఆన్సర్ అవుతుంది, 16 మైనస్ 8/2 ఒక ఆన్సర్. ఓకేనా, 16 మైనస్ 8/2 అంటే 18/2 మా 400 ఒకటి అవుతుంది, ఇంకోటి 1200 మా. దీస్ ఆర్ సిపిస్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అయితే ఓకే మా, ఇఫ్ నాట్ గో ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్ ఆప్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ మా, one article is sold at 25% profit. 25% అంటే 1/4, 1/4 అంటే 100 rupees ma. So 100 profit తో అంటే nothing but ma sold price 500. Second one 20% loss అంటే 240 loss ma, minus 240 nothing but ma 960. 960. Now the condition check that whether it's satisfying or not. Selling price of the article sold at profit. Profit coming is ma, it is 460 lesser than at loss. దీనికన్నా this should be 460 less ma. Clearly 460 less ma. Obviously option A ma. Option A ma, clearly satisfying the condition. Option A. Right pa? Next. 74. The income of A is twice more than that of B. The expenditure of A is 20, which is twice that of B. If the savings of A is 5 times of B, find the income of B ma. Income of B అన్నాడు మా. ఇక్కడ కూడా we can verify ma one by one option verifications also ma. Otherwise ma, income of A is twice more than B. If B is one part, A should be three parts because two times of more ma. So and A and B ma, A and B ratio should be 3:1. Let us assume ma 3x 1x అనుకుంటే 3x 1x ma. Saving is nothing but income minus expenditure ma. First person expenditure ma 20, 3x minus 20, which is twice that of B ante, say second person saving ma 10,000, that equals to savings are in the ratio of 5 times, nothing but ma 5 by 1. So 3x minus 20 ma, 3x minus 20, 5x minus 50 ma. So 2x ma, 2x equal 30, x equals to 15 ma, x 15, nothing but ma B value ma 15,000. Option E ma. Otherwise ma, we can move on through option verification also ma. Next ma, the percentage of A is 20 years ma. A percentage ma clear ga చెప్పారు ma 20 years. A present ma 20 years. The age of B is 4 years. Hence from now will be twice that of percentage of A ma. B 4 years hence ma B plus 4 is equals to will be twice that of present of A ante 40. Twice that of present of 2 into 20 ma 40. So B should be 36 ma. Present ma B is 36. Next ma, if the ratio of the percentages of B and C ma 3:5 ma, B and C ante 3 parts, that is in 1 part ma 12, C ma 12 5 ma 60, C is 60. Then the percentage of C is how much percent more or less than A ma? C 60, A 20 ma. More, how much more ma? 40 more. 40 by 20, nothing but ma 2 times ma 200% ma. Option D ma 200%. The given line graph shows the number of monuments and number of national parks ma. Monuments and national parks of 5 different countries ma. So monuments ma blue color ma, number of national parks ma orange color indicating ma. Now find the ratio of the total number of national parks in country A and C together ma. So national parks ma, question asking ratio. National parks ma orange color ma A and C. మిడిల్లో ఉందమ్మా రఫ్గా 150, ఇది కాస్త బిలో ఉందమ్మా 150 250 మా 150 250 అనుకుంటే దగ్గర దగ్గర 400 మా. నెక్స్ట్ మా మాన్యుమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ బి అండ్ ఈ మా, మాన్యుమెంట్స్ మా బ్లూ కలర్ బి అండ్ ఈ, ఇట్ ఇస్ మా 620 అనుకోవచ్చు. ఈ ఇట్ ఇస్ మా 280 మా, 620 280 మా 900, nothing but ma ratio ma 4:9. Option C ma, option C ma 4:9. Find the difference between the 25% of, find the difference between the 25% of number of monuments in country C ma. Difference ma monuments of C, monuments ma blue color C ma, roughly we can take it as ma more than little 360 అనుకుంటే 360 లో 25% ma, 25% nothing but 1/4 ma, 1/4 ma, roughly we can take it as ma 90. Next national parks of B ma, national parks B, national parks ma orange color ma, national parks ma roughly we can take it as ma 180. 180 లో 20% nothing but ma 36. 90 minus 36 ma 54. 54 ma option E, option E ma 54, option E 54. Next ma 78 ma 78. In country D, in country D there are 20 workers for each monument and 50 workers for each national park. Find the total number of workers in all the monuments and national parks together ma. So country D ma monuments are 400, in every monument 20 workers ma, 400 into 20 ma nothing but 8,000, and national parks 200 ma, each worker lo each దాంట్లో 50 ma, 200 into 50 ma 10,000, 10 plus 8 ma 18. Option E ma, option E ma 18,000. Next 79th ma, now we are looking 79th. If the 75% of the monuments in country A are built from red stones and rest are built from the white stones ma, find the number of monuments in country A white stones ma. 75% red stones and white stones ma 25%. A monuments ma blue color ma, that is ma rough ga 540 అనుకుంటే ma, in that ma we require ma 25%. 1/4 ma, half 270, half of 270 ma 135. Option B. Option B ma 135. Next ma 80. In which of the given countries the number of monuments is highest and number of national parks is low? Monument should be highest ma, blue highest one ma B. National parks ma least one ma E. B and E ma, B and E nothing but ma option A ma. Option A.